So the Christmas tree's up. It is November 14th, and we usually do it earlier, like around November 1st for Crowley's birthday. This time around, we waited a little longer, and today snowed for the first time here in Chicago. So it was time. It was time to bring out the Christmas tree, put it up, and then just decorate the house for Christmas and just feel that coziness.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it.
So this year, Christmas is going to be so different. We're basically taking it slow and just enjoying the movies and just enjoying each part of it. We're gonna try to get outside and go to downtown Chicago, to State Street and the Christmas markets, and just have fun and enjoy the weather as well. I'm planning of having like a slow season, enjoying my vegan food and hopefully to share as much vegan food as I can and just enjoy every single moment. Maybe have some game nights with family and just be home basically. And yeah, just enjoy the Christmas tree and the lights and just what the season brings.